Circles are everywhere, from clocks to wheels to pizzas. But what exactly is a circle? Welcome to your mathematics classroom. I am Adetunji, your mathematics tutor. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from the definition of a circle to the calculating areas, perimeters, the arc length, and even the sector. Let's dive in. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are at a fixed distance from a given point. That fixed point is called the center, while the fixed distance is called the radius. Check out the terms in circles on your screen. Think and comment. Mention 5 circular objects apart from the examples mentioned and type it in the comment below. The circumference and the area of circle. What is the circumference? Circumference is the perimeter or distance around a circle. And the formula is circumference equals to 2 pi r. The r is the radius, or we say circumference is equal to pi d. The d is the diameter. For the area of the circle is the space it occupies. The formula of the area of circle is pi r squared, where the r is the radius and your pi is 22/7 or 3.142 or 3.14 anyhow, based on your approximation or the way you are given. Check out this example. If the radius of a circle is 5 cm, find the circumference of that circle. You can check the interpretation. The radius has been replaced with 5 cm, and my pi still remains 3.142. Putting everything together, the circumference is 31.42 cm. In this same question, the side should find the area of a circle whose radius is 5 cm. The area of a circle, pi r squared, and my r is 5. So I have pi times 5 squared, and at the end of the day, I have 78.54 centimeters squared. Circumference and area of circle settled. The task. Answer these tasks in your notes. The first question on the area of circle says a circular garden has a radius of 7 meters. What's the area of that garden if your pi is 3.14? The second question is on perimeter, which is also called the circumference of a circle. A bicycle wheel has a diameter of 0.6 meters. What is the perimeter or the circumference of the wheel? Your pi is 3.14. Now, arc of a circle. Arc of a circle. When you talk about arc of a circle, you are talking about a portion of the circumference of a circle. And the formula for the length of arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. That is a portion in a circle multiplied by the perimeter of a circle. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Where theta is the central angle and is measured in degrees. the r is still the radius. Check out this example. Given that the radius of a circle is 7 centimeters and the center angle is 60 degrees, what is the length of the arc, or what is the arc length? Proper interpretation, the theta is 60 degrees and the radius is 7 centimeters. Putting it together, 60 over 360 times 2 pi times 7 equals 7.33 centimeter arc length. Now the task on the length of arc. A sector of a circle has a central angle of 60 degrees and the radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. What is the length of the arc formed by the sector if your pi is 3.14? Answer this question in your notes. Now, sector of a circle. I believe you can see that slice of a pizza, which is giving us a sector. That's what I'm telling us right now. Sector is a region enclosed by two radii and the arc between them. Area of a sector, theta over 360 times pi r squared. While the perimeter of a sector, 2 times radius plus arc length. Indirectly, you are saying diameter plus arc length equals to the perimeter of a sector. Check out this example. In a particular circle, we have a radius of 7 centimeters and the theta at 60 degrees. We are told to find the area of the sector and likewise the perimeter of the sector, including the arc length. In a circle, we have a radius of 7 centimeters and the center angle at 60 degrees. Calculate the area, calculate the arc length, calculate the length. Starting with the area, since we have known the formula for the area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. So we have 60 over 360 times pi times 7 squared. Putting together, we have 25.6 centimeters squared. To find the arc length, since we have known the arc length formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So with that one, we got our 7.33 centimeter from the former question we have done. And likewise, its perimeter, we got 21.33 centimeter. This settled the arc length, the area of sector, and the perimeter of sector. Now, the task on area of sector. A circular sector has a radius of 6 centimeters and a central angle of 90 degrees. What is the area of the sector if the pi is 3.14? Task on perimeter of sector. A sector has a radius of 8 centimeters and a central angle of 60 degrees. What is the perimeter of the sector if the pi is 3.14? Now, let's talk about the real-world applications of circle. We have discussed the theoretical aspects of circle in form of definition, in form of terms, in form of arc lengths, in form of area of sector, and the perimeter of sector. Now, the real-life application. I believe you can see this bicycle wheel. You can see the road curve, the pizza, and the fan blades. Which shape are you seeing? To let you know, circles, arcs, and sectors appear in real life all the time. Engineering uses arc length for designing wheels and gears. Architecture uses sectors in domes and arches. In the food industry, it calculates sector when cutting cakes and pizzas. Whenever we are cutting our cakes and pizza, we are doing mathematics, we are performing sectors. Check out the summary chart. Let's quickly review what we have discussed today. We talked about circle as a set of points at fixed distance from a center. Circumference 2 pi r. Area pi r squared. Arc length theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Sector area theta over 360 times pi r squared. And the sector perimeter, which is the 2r plus arc length. Thanks for watching. Practice these formulas and you will master circles in no time. Like, subscribe, and check out our other math videos. Bye.